From Alissa Beth Photography. I wanted to show you my new Santa template. I'm going to be creating a whole bunch just like this using clipping masks. So I wanted to show you how the whole template looks, how you use it, and a quick use of clipping masks in case you're not familiar with those. So when you open up the template, you're going to see Santa, aka my dad, holding this white paper. And you'll see all these buttons over here. If you look at the first folder, it says one clip, wonderful time. So if you open that, if you make it visible and then you open that folder, you're going to see that there is a clipping mask, a single clipping mask, and a saying that says it's the most wonderful time of the year. So with this template, you are given 3 different sets of clipping masks and 3 different sayings, but they're very customizable. So let's say you don't want that saying, you want to write something else. Well, click it off and it's gone. You don't need to use it. Let's say you don't want to use the clipping mask, but you just want to use the saying. Well, shut off the clipping mask then. You don't need to use it. You can move your sayings around. You don't have to leave it where it is. You can use the saying with other clipping masks. You can make your own clipping masks. Whatever you want to do, it'll work. So let's take a look at the next one. So I'm going to shut that one off. You open up one that says 2 clips and ho ho ho. You'll see here there's a little ho ho ho. Turn it off, turn it on. You could turn off one clipping mask, you turn off both clipping masks. And here's the next one. This one you get a peace, love, joy. Turn it on, turn it off. You can shut off all your clipping masks. You can shut off 1 clipping mask, 2 clipping masks, whatever you want. Make your own. Or, of course, you can have nothing there. And you can just use this white as a template for yourself. Right now, this image is sized as at a 20 by 30, which is equivalent to if you were just to size it down, you can print it at 20 by 30, which is the largest. You can also print it as a 4 by 6 and any of those sizes that are equivalent to that ratio in between. But I want to show you something. Let's say you want to make this into your holiday card or a holiday card. I purposely left enough on the edges so that if you decide you want to crop and you want the crop ratio to be 5 by 7, you have plenty of room here to crop this into a 5 by 7 and make it into a 5 by 7 holiday card. Easy breezy. So let's just do a quick clipping mask and show you what you can do. I'm going to open up the single clipping mask, and I'm going to click on where it says place photo here. So that is what's highlighted. I'm going to go to File, Place Embedded, and I'm going to go to go find my file that I want to use. I want to use inside the box photo shoots. I want to use this one, and I'm going to place a single picture in of this cute family right here. And you'll see that it already has placed itself right into the clipping mask. I'm going to press the Shift button. I'm going to size it down and move it in until it's where I want it to be. And voila, it's not perfect. If I were doing this, I'd probably move it around a little bit more. But there you go, that's how you would use it. But here's the cool part about a large clipping mask that's square like this. If you have any other already made, let's say 9 box or 4 box or pre-made composites, you don't have to remake your composites. You can go File, Place Embedded, and I'm going to pick one of my square ones. I'm going to pick this 9 box right there. And I'm going to actually what happened was I'm just going to stop it. I'm going to press the check mark because when I erased it before, I erased out the layer that says clipping mask. Not the clipping mask itself, just the layer that would hold the clipping mask. So I'm just going to easily turn this box now into a clipping mask by right-clicking and create clipping mask. And voila, now it's done. I'm going to press Command T. I'm going to hold the shift key down while I size it, and holding the shift key keeps the aspect ratio. And I have now successfully inserted a 9 box without having to recreate a 9 box. So that is one of the reasons why I really love using square templates, because I find that when you make, oops, I'm cutting her head off a little bit, as you can see, but I would fix that. I would fix that if this was for real. But as you can see, I really, really love using squares, because then I've made so many like companion templates that can go with it, and it's just easy enough. You make your client a square 9 box or a square 4 box, and then you can upsell your clients with some of these fun templates, throw it in for free, or make them holiday cards. But you don't have to go through all the work again of creating these intricate inside the box composites. Anyway, that's it. Hope that you enjoyed this. I hope that you like the template. There are many more to come. And if you have any questions, just message me, and I will be happy to answer your questions. Thanks a lot, guys.